If you are looking to figure out how to integrate AI into your Meta ads to maintain efficiency, to get better results, this video is for you. I'm breaking down my latest hack using Claude, using Meta to come up with the best way to run your ad account. Let's get into it. Hey guys, my name's Chris Morano, founder of Blue Water Marketing. We scale e-com stores using Meta, Google, and retention. And in this video, I want to walk you through how we are now recategorizing and maintaining a level of efficiency with a very distinct set of rules that are being generated using Claude. I've spent millions of dollars over the last 8 years on Meta. We've worked with over 150 brands, and we are always looking to level up our skills. And that is exactly what AI is allowing us to do at a way more rapid pace than ever before. It's crazy. I'm super excited. Let's get into this. The first thing you need to remember when managing your ads is, for us, we have a very strict set of rules that we apply to every single one of our clients. It's a broad stroke. 3-day window scaling, target cost per acquisition metrics, ROAS metrics, MER, AMER. We have a very strict set of rules. If this happens, do this. But because we're managing all these different accounts, which all have different margins and cost per acquisition metrics, it's a broad brush that's worked really, really well. But what if we could figure out a way to have a very specific set of rules for each and every client? That would allow us to increase efficiency drastically, which then in turn gets better results for our clients. That's what this tool does. The first step here is going to be go to reports, create new report. And I want to do this one first so that you guys can follow along with me. And we want to make sure campaign name is selected, ad name is selected, and then go into metrics. We want all of the standard metrics, reach, frequency, clicks, and then we want day breakdowns. And from there, we want to do the last 12 months. So this is going to be a ton of stuff. We've spent $370,000 in this account, 1,285 purchases, generated $1.8 million. Now, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to continue to scroll down. You can see there's 728 rows total. We're going to keep going. We're going to keep going. Now, after that very miserable 5 minutes that you didn't have to wait for, we have our full report. Now, within this report, we're not even going to look at it. All I want to do at this point is export the data using a CSV file. If this is already too much for you and you were interested in having us apply these rules to your ad account, go ahead, click the link down in the comments. You can book a call with my team, see if we might be able to help you scale your store. Now from here, we're back in Claude. Now I do want to be super transparent. You're going to have to pay the $20 fee for Claude because the amount of data we are uploading into this AI is too much. You won't be able to upload all of it if you have any level of data like I just uploaded with 728 rows of ads. From here, what we want to do is paste in this prompt. Screenshot it here, pause it, whatever. Essentially, we want to take the daily performance of ads that became winners, which are the top 5% of conversion value, versus the losers, which is the bottom 80%. For each day after an ad is launched, tell me what performance metrics indicate that I should kill, scale, or let the ad continue to cook. Break this down step by step for the first 7 days after launch. The key is this. Essentially, what this tool is allowing us to do is aggregate all of the data to show us those preliminary KPIs based on different trends within this ad account on click-through rate, CPM, cost per click, those leading indicators that this ad will perform versus the lagging, which will show that they aren't going to perform. And I've done this now for a handful of our accounts. I've cross-referenced to the best of my ability, and this is accurate, which is so cool. From here, we want to upload the CSV. And let's go. As you can see, basically this thing is doing some crazy coding. I have no idea how to do any of this. What I'm looking at though is what comes out over here. So in this ad account, it has performed. It's taken 738 rows of data over the last 12 months of ad information. If this is super complex, you have no idea what these metrics means, and you want my team to manage your ads, click the link down below in the comments, schedule a call with my team, see if we can help you scale your store. Let's get back into it. Based on the analysis of your data, here's the day-by-day breakdown of when to kill, scale, or let the ads cook. Day one, if we launch ads, the CTR is less than 0.8% and the CPM is greater than $15, zero add to carts after 100 clicks, just kill it. Scale, if the CTR is greater than 1.5 and early purchase signals any purchases, start scaling. Let it cook if the CTR is 0.8% or greater, but no purchases yet. Kill. CTR remains less than 0.8 or cost per purchase is 2x the target, meaning we have our cost per acquisition target. If it's 2 times that, kill it. Again, we now have 7 days of leading indicators that show us what we should do based on this data. So in theory, what we try to do is create content at scale. We create so many ads every single month, 70, 80, 100 ads for our different clients to be able to quickly identify winners. Now, historically, our kill targets are cost per acquisition targets, cost per result. With this, we now have the ability to look for those KPIs that say, hey, no matter what, even if we don't get to kill target, this ad more than likely, based on this aggregate of all of the data, is telling us to kill this ad day 2 or day 3, even if the spend threshold has not yet hit our historic kill target, which would be the cost per purchase. Going down, kill, obviously, if maintain ROAS above 1. Scale, if ROAS greater than 2.5x for over 48 hours, or just let it cook. Day 6, day 7, key insights. Winners typically show strong signals within the first 48 hours. CTR is most predictive in days 1 and 2. And by day 3, ROAS needs to become the primary decision metric. Successful ads maintain consistent purchase rates after scaling, and CPM stability is crucial for scaled ads. Have you ever had data like that in your ad account? Because we haven't. Historically, as good as we are, and I really do consider us one of the best, we've always used account level benchmarks. What's the account efficiency look like? What's the account CTR? What's the account CPM? This now is giving us very specific targets that our creative assets need to hit in order to scale. Now, I know this one was super nerdy video because I'm enjoying getting into the depths of AI to understand how we can be even better. This is one of those things. I really hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, leave a comment down below. I will give you the prompt, help you out with it. Happy to answer any questions. If you're finding any hurdles or issues with this, leave a comment down below. I hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you in the next video.